In the endless darkness of space, silence should reign. There is no air, no atmosphere, no medium for sound to travel. And yet, humanity has captured something remarkable: strength, hunting sounds from the cosmos. Noises that are unexplainable, terrifying, and mesmerizing at the same time. Today, we will dive deep into these mysterious sounds, exploring what they are, where they came from, and what secrets they may hold. This is my channel, Vertex Voice. Hit the subscribe button so you can enter a new world with every video. Before we begin, we must understand why sound shouldn't exist in space at all. Sound as we know it is the vibration of air molecules. But in a vacuum, there are no molecules to carry vibration. So, how do we hear these cosmic sounds? Well, what scientists actually record are not traditional sounds, but electromagnetic waves, plasma vibration, and radio emissions. When these invisible signals are converted into frequencies within human hearing range, they transform into eerie, otherworldly noises. It is almost as if the universe is speaking in a language beyond words. The story begins with the Voyager missions in the late 1970s. As Voyager 1 and 2 journeyed past the giant planets of our solar system, their instruments detected waves and vibrations invisible to the human eye. When translated into the sound, they revealed something shocking. From Jupiter came booming roars and rapid pulses. From Uranus and Neptune, strange metallic hums. And from Saturn came a sound that left listeners unsettled. It was high-pitched, eerie, and almost alive, like a chorus of ghostly voices calling out from the void. Imagine being alone in the darkness of space and hearing those sounds echoing all around you. Saturn's recordings remain some of the most famous in history. NASA explained them as plasma waves interacting with Saturn's magnetic field. But to the human ear, they resemble wails, shrieks, or even screams. And Saturn's moon, Enceladus, adds even more mysteries. Beneath its icy surface lies a vast hidden ocean. When strange noises were detected in its vicinity, many wondered, could those sounds be tied to activity under the ice? Are we hearing the voice of a living, alien ocean? Or simply the natural hum of magnetism? But Saturn is not alone in its cosmic chorus. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, produced sounds unlike anything on Earth. Deep, rolling tones echo like thunder, punctuated by bursts of rapid crackling that seems almost electrical. The Sun, too, has a voice. Through advanced instruments, scientists have recorded its vibrations. When played back, the Sun seems to pulse rhythmically, beating like a massive cosmic heart at the center of our solar system. And even black holes, the most mysterious objects in the universe, have their own sound. Though they are silent in traditional terms, their gravitational waves can be converted into frequencies. The result is a low, endless hum that is so deep it lies below the range of human hearing. It is the sound of the universe bending under the weight of invisible giants. All of these recordings remind us of one simple truth: the universe is not silent. It hums, it vibrates, it sings, it screams. Its sound is a fingerprint of cosmic activity, from solar winds colliding with planets to plasma waves dancing along magnetic fields. But here lies the mystery. While scientists explain this sounds through physics, many cannot ignore their haunting, almost intentional quality. To some, the noises from Saturn sound like voices crying out. To others, Jupiter's booming roars resemble the chaos of distant battle. Are we simply projecting our imagination into natural phenomena, or could these recordings truly be messages? Could something somewhere be reaching out using vibrations, frequencies, and signals we barely understand? Well, we don't know it. The universe is vast, ancient, and full of mysteries. And every time we press play on one of these recordings, we are reminded of how little we know. Perhaps they are nothing more than the music of physics, the sound of plasma, magnetism, and energy flowing through space. But perhaps they are hints of something more, echoes from civilizations long gone, or whispers from beings who even now watch us from the darkness. What do you believe? Are the mysterious sounds of space just science at work? Or are they messages from another world? One thing is certain: the universe is not silent, and as we continue to listen, we may discover that we are not alone.